Mount down na kami.
Two others. It's
Asan
okay.
yung collar
I can take that
natin?
Q.
Sundan lang natin yung collar. Sundan lang yung collar.
Asa likod na tayo siya.
Oo, wala sa likod mo.
Okay, I took a bit too much damage there.
I
Is this
mean,
where I
likod
run
ni
and
Pakol
flee?
kasi...
I push one wave out, then I run and flee.
Mount out lang kayo.
I'd probably be here.
Ayun nga.
Sundan nyo lang.
35 PA. Saan kayo banda? Nasaan na kaya? Bali na kaya?
I've
Oh,
I'm
bali
low
na.
moon plating, so one Q deletes my whole HP.
But feeling ko kailangan ko mag-beam dito.
Blinded?
Ako lang ba?
Ikaw.
Damn, we got a lot of attacks in him there.
Ay, oo.
Kinda
Ilan
just
ba
stood there and
nakabeam
took it.
sa atin?
Wala.
Wala.
I should get this way
O, puta,
fast.
mag-beam ka na.
I want that challenger recall, man.
Kaya nga,
You know what they should do?
Yeah, I
They
don't
should
know,
make it
man.
so like, if you kill somebody, you take their challenger recall, right? I think that's pretty fair. Oh Jesus!
1v2 nga tayo.
I'm invisible. Oh, I'm dead.
ano,
Loki, I could have actually won 1v1.
Send ka
Are
kaya
they
na
still
NS.
top? My team's kind of like destroying bots. We'll take it.
Food
We'll
check
take it.
Aussie. Food check Aussie.
Okay, that blind did nothing.
may OC ka ba, Chimpi?
Did not help to the cause.
Meron. Gago, laban na pala. Gago, laban na pala. Nag-uusap na kayo?
Oo. Food check Aussie na.
Gago na pinag yung video ko. Bobo.
Putang ina, nagtaka ako bakit 7K yung HP mong pukin ng ano mo kayo.
Tangay na, kinakabahan ah.
Hindi, boy, kakabalik ko lang sa Salvin ko eh. Alam na.
Ay, baka makain mo yung isa mo pang food ah. Ay, hindi, wala ka palang isang food.
Mount up ba?
Okay na sila guys.
Mount
Okay.
up na tayo.
Oo nga, mga tap pa rin.
Kasi siya ako dito.
Gago, nang bubomba na sila dito sa taas ah.
Ano ba natin? Alright.
Crown lang.
Mount up
Gusto mo lang yung crown,
kalaban eh.
Chimpi.
Wala pa. Naka-mount up pa kalaban.
Wala pa. Feeling ko, all rise, parang nang bobomba lang sila sa Gedli eh. Bombs pa data ng all rise yan. All rise, tsaka send, kalaban natin.
Nakikita kasi ako. Pasugod na yung Oko.
Oo nga.
Tabi ko siya, boy.
Puta, papasok ata tayo inside sa zerg nila. Puta, sinabi ko na eh.
Rap pala. Drop.
Rarap around tayo sa likod nila. Putang ina. Ikot tayo.
Gago. Ang tagal naman ng kalaban.
Ito,
Nandito sa harapan namin.
Naka-mount down na.
Nakamount.
Iba, yung iba.
Kaya nga eh. Ang tagal nga eh.
Yung iba nagagawa.
Nakamount down.
มันเป็นหน้าชนแต่ว่ากูอยากลงแล้วอ่ะ
Ang daming naiiwan dun. Naiwala yung iba. Ayun.
Oh.
Sa Southeast ha, nandun yung ano nila.
Yung tatlo naliligaw dun, boy.
Kaya nga eh.
Sinusundan ko lang siya eh.
อันเดียวโอเคอันเดียวโอเคแล้วเสาโอเค
Puta,
Pag nadirismot.
เร็วสตาร์ทที่เมาส์เสาสตาร์ทที่เมาส์เสากินแล้วทุมินแล้วทุมิน
Lagi ako lang nandito, boy.
แล้วทุมินดิ้นแล้วแล้วทุมินฟังนี่ฟังนี่ฟังนี่
Gago, naglag ako.
Katabi ko siya, boy. Katabi ko siya. So,
Tara. Gago, namatay sila.
Uy, gago na. Nadilit ako.
Ano ka?
kasi ako. Ang layo na, boy.
Buka! Buti na lang, may full HP ako. Ikaw ba yun? Len?
Gago ka.
May beam mo ulit.
Ah, ang sakit, what the fuck?
May beam ulit ako niya.
Tang ina, thank you, Len. Holy shit.
Gago rito.
Ano kasing map nyo?
Nindin, please.
Glacial Cross?
Please, him. Oh, shit.
Valley, Glacial Fall Valley.